Relying on a legacy firewall to keep your factory floor safe while racing to meet end-of-quarter orders is a costly assumption. In Charlotte, a targeted cyber attack during peak demand risks more than a missed shipment. It threatens lost contracts and frustrated partners. Manufacturing here faces more cyber incidents than any other sector for the fourth year in a row, making every hour of downtime a direct hit to your bottom line. As Michael Pfaff, Director of Operations at Network Data Security Experts, puts it, the companies winning in Charlotte are those who treat cybersecurity not as insurance, but as an engine for growth and trust. Charlotte's business pace is relentless, and waiting for slow change is not an option. Manufacturing leads in cyber attacks, but banking, healthcare, and energy also set the city's growth trajectory. Leaders here act on trends. 73% plan to increase tech investments, with nearly half focusing on robotics and automation. In manufacturing, strong security and automation aren't optional. They're the foundation for a competitive edge and long-term stability. With 17% of manufacturing companies under $20 million targeted, the risk is real for every business. Growth in Charlotte comes from embracing operational efficiency, digital transformation, and practical risk management. Key industries invest in AI-driven analytics, telemedicine, IoT sensors, and smart grid platforms to drive sustainable expansion and free up teams for higher-value work. Real-time asset monitoring and secure remote access are now expected, not optional. Change is a necessity. Start by auditing your cybersecurity and identifying vulnerabilities before they disrupt your operations. With a cyber attack occurring every 39 seconds, proactive security is a business priority. Prioritize automation, leverage financial innovations, and strengthen your asset visibility. Each step positions your business for resilience and steady growth. For a deeper dive into how Charlotte's top industries are driving sustainable growth and actionable steps you can take, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.